How to post on Reddit. So guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can post on Reddit. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up reddit.com. Make sure that you're logged in into your account. You can check by seeing your profile icon on the top right corner. And yeah, after you've logged in into your profile, you can then head over to any community that you want. So head over to any community that you want, and after you're there, you should see a create post option. Tap on the create post option on that very community, and after you do that, you can then add a title. And after you add a title, you can add the body. So add the body here, whatever you want to add on the body, and you can even add images. Okay, so you can drag and drop the image here. You can describe what is in the image on the body area. You can add your URLs and links. You can add polls if you want, and you can add your AMA as well. So after doing all of that, you can actually just tap on this post icon right here, and after you tap on the post icon, you should be good to go. Tap on post and your post will get posted on that very community on Reddit. And that's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.